Okay.
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 Fine. So what we do first, we'll go to non-stick general handling units. So we go to basics. First what we do, we define a packaging material type, and then we define material group for packaging material type. And what we do, we define the allowed packaging material by assigning the packaging material type to the material group for packaging material type. For example, like we have a packaging material type as V080. So Ganeshan has a right.
Yes.
So we have a packaging material type as V080. Okay. So what we do, we create a packaging material group for packaging material, C010, and we define allowed packaging material by assigning the packaging material type to the material group for packaging material. C010, and V080. The same packaging material type, what we do, we group together by maintaining we create a packaging materials and we maintain V080 packaging material type in that material master. So that it means that the packaging material belongs to this packaging material type. And then this C010 we maintain for the material to which we want to pack it. Okay, for example, in my scenario,
Hello, sir.
yeah, hi Ganesh. We just started.
Okay, Assam, can you please make me organizer?
Yeah, I'm doing it. So in my example, I have a packaging material. Packaging. So in go to sales views, and don't forget to take the material type as VERP, since VERP is a standard packaging material type. Okay.
Yes.
So you need to maintain the packaging material type as V080 in the sales general and plant data. So here you maintain here as a packaging material type as V080. And now I have to maintain the same for the material which I want to pack with this packaging material. Okay. So what I do, I go there and again maintain in the master data. For the material I want to do it, WM, let's see one. Here. So you maintain here as C010. Okay? And also the same will be seen if you maintain here, you will see the same here in packaging material. So it means that for this material WM1, packaging materials, packaging is allowed when you maintain a material group for packaging material as C010.
Okay.
Okay? So with this configuration you can only determine the packaging material and do it manually. Okay. But you want to make it automatically, like you want to make the packaging automatically. Whenever you click the packing for the material, it has to automatically go for a packing. Okay, without asking you the allowed packing material. For that, what we do, we maintain the packing instructions.
Okay.
And the number ranges that I will tell you. What are the different number ranges we have. So automatic packing, we go here and we define the maintain. First we do here packing instructions master data. Okay, we define a number ranges for packing instructions. Okay, like likewise the condition record number range, for example, in the pricing procedure, the same kind we define here a packing instructions. Okay, and determine for packing instructions. So define key for a packing instruction determination. Key for n means like we have access sequence, right? In the same way here we define. Okay, like in access sequence we do have a criteria to maintain a condition record. That is, we call it as condition tables in pricing procedure.
Yes.
In the same way, we call this as the keys. So keys, like we have different keys already in a standard. Let's see which table we can take. So material plant vendor, if you take this. So with these combinations we do maintain the condition record, that is packing instructions in handling units.
Is 4410
the same you maintain here.
Is 410
the
standard? Okay.
It is standard. You can create new one like as you do in pricing procedures.
Okay.
So define access sequence, and we have a standard access sequence. So RCPT determine here and see which access sequence we have maintained here. So we have 410. Okay, we have different access sequences maintained for this thing. So we define a condition type. Okay, and RCPT access sequence RCPT, and assign the access sequence what you call the condition tables. Here we call the keys. Okay, we have assigned to this, and then define the determination type. Determination type is the condition type as a pricing procedure. So we define here RCPT. Here you define the access sequence RCPT. Okay. Then define the procedure for packing instructions. So we have here your packing file grocery standard. So you have defined RCPT here. So when and what happens? See, you have defined the condition tables, the keys, and then maintain in the access sequence, and maintain the access sequence to the condition types, and again the condition type is maintained in the handling unit procedure. Okay. 004, and define number ranges for the packing instruction determination records. Okay, the same like we create a condition record, right? The same way we define the number ranges for this. And the same, the procedure, you have created a procedure now. Now you want the system to pick every time this procedure. For that, go to maintain packing transaction profile and go to 0001. These packing transaction profiles are the standard profiles which are created in SAP, which links with the respective areas. You have you don't have option here to create it newly. You can only change make some changes in it. Okay, or you can copy it and do some new changes in it. So here 0001 is a standard. So you define here, you have assigned this here. This is the called the determination. Like when you do the inbound delivery, system will automatically look for this procedure. Okay. So now the master data, what all we have to maintain. Let's go. Logistics, central functions, handling unit. Master data, packing instructions. So I have go to packing instruction and create a packing instruction. Packing instruction 231 I have created already. So in this you see which packing material is used. Okay. So we have maintained a packing material. So which all the materials are allowed for this WM1 and WM2? How much quantity is required? Okay. So these are the packing instructions maintained in the system. So I maintained this packing material which is under the packing material type V080. Okay, and should be used for packing the material WM1, for which the material group for a packing material is maintained C010. It means that this packing materials, whenever you want to pack the material, it has to pack it automatically by using this packaging material. So this is the instruction given. Now I have to maintain the packaging condition records. Okay, packaging instruction determination record. So
Okay, so
determination type RCPT.
that is the access sequence. RCPT is the access sequence. Or is it
RCPT actually is maintained as condition type as well as the access sequence. Same.
okay? Okay. And so when the system will look at this material, plant and vendor, the system will suggest that this is the packaging material for this. Okay.
That will see. What we do, you know,
Material.
here in this material WM1 and vendor is awesome.
Material. Just go little slow, please. Okay.
Like yeah.
Uh-huh.
So whenever the material WM1
Uh-huh.
is procured for the plant ASM
Uh-huh.
from the vendor ASM,
Uh-huh.
use this packing instruction.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. And if I want to display the packaging instruction, can I double click in that, or I have to open up a separate transaction? That instruction, okay. And let me read the instruction just a second. Let me read this screen, do not go back. Item 1020, the one which you set up. Okay, so if the material is packaging and the target quantity 1, can you explain this screen once more? Just try to understand.
See,
Yeah.
you will see here, it's asking you item category, what kind of, it is a packaging material P. So
Okay.
which is the packing material, which is the material to be packed. Okay.
Okay.
So it says that use this packing material packaging
Uh-huh.
for this material
Uh-huh.
WM with a quantity of 10.
Okay.
Like every time, if for example if you procure 100 materials, then system will suggest this packaging as a packing material. It will pack as a 10 quantity each. And
Okay.
if you procure 100, then it will pack 10, you will see 10 packaging units, 10 handling units.
Okay. Just to understand this screen, I am saying for the corresponding packaging material, target quantity is 1. And for the corresponding materials to be packed, such as WM1 and WM, corresponding target quantities are 10. So it means that it means one packaging material, 1 unit of packaging material can pack 10 units of WM1 or WM. Is it correct?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Go ahead.
1 second.
Uh-huh.
Hello? Yeah? Okay. So now we have, first thing what we have done, we have maintained the condition tables and assigned these condition tables to the access sequence,
Yes.
and access sequence is again assigned to the condition type, and condition type is maintained in the procedure, and procedure is assigned to the transaction profiles. Okay?
Okay.
And then in the master data level, what we have done, we have maintained the packing instructions, and we created a condition record and maintain the packing instructions in the condition record.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So now what happens? See how, let me do one here. Okay. 17698 VL31 VL. So go here. So now what we do? You click this and pack it.
Mm-hmm.
The system has automatically created a handling unit by using this packaging material.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Now the question here is how these number ranges are created.
Okay.
So, okay, here if you see, you have seen that SSCC 18 internal number range. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it says that SSCC is a standard, universal code which is used for handling unit, which has 18 characteristics. Okay, SSCC is called what is that? SSCC is a commodity code. Let me see what is this. Let me see once. External identification. Yeah, the serialized shipping container code. Okay, you know about this SSCC?
I did hear it before, but if I'm understanding correctly, it is like something a unique pallet number, something like that, a handling unit number, right?
It is a handling unit number, but normally, we always go by using this SSCC number only.
Actually,
because, it contains
sorry, go
international location number.
Yeah.
Actually, SSC number contains international location numbers.
Okay.
Like whenever the packing instructions, like you create a tag and pass it to the handling units, the packages.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever there is a barcode scanning and all, no?
Exactly.
So it is actually a standard one.
Yeah.
It is actually a standard one. So whenever that is scans, it sees that where exactly this original location, where exactly this has come from, which country.
Yep. I remember, as you have said, they have what is called pallet tags, and this is what the SSCC number is that, and pallet tags was very important, and they had all once they scanned that with the RF gun, they had all the information being pulled up in the system for that content of pallets. Yeah.
That's correct. So here we maintain the number ranges maintained for handling unit. The number range, if you don't want to use for handling unit, that SSC numbers, you can have maintained a different handling units also for your for your only for internal purposes. Okay.
Okay.
So only for that you can also do this by maintaining a handling unit over here, the number ranges for it. If you want to use SSCC generation number, then you can create over here. Okay.
Okay.
So object, we have a standard object LE SSCC. You see here, you maintain the number ranges for it here. Let me show that.
Okay, now let me ask you one question in this regard. You can answer afterwards. What is the transaction that we use for printing the pallet tags?
For the printing? Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Because I used to hear,
for,
go ahead. I used to hear the WM guys, they used to face these issues frequently that pallet tags are not getting printed properly. Pallet tags are not, yes, yeah.
that is actually, we haven't completed that print process in WM, I believe.
Okay, yes. Yes, we didn't come.
Normally, there are, you can do it through message outputs. You have a special, BAPIs for that to create, and also you have a special smart forms maintained, provided by SAP to create a electronic RF prints. You have that in standard also. That is actually you can create it through smartphones. Okay, once this smartphone is designed, you make assignments in the WM view for a printing processes.
Okay. Once you finish this, I would like to see a little bit of that.
Yeah.
Where exactly?
We'll see that. We'll see.
Okay.
So what I do, I have maintained this number ranges. Okay. SSC generation number for this object. So maintain SSC generation for each plant store and location. So what I have done, so I have maintained the sequence for this one. International location number as 20043000567. Okay, and for the number range is this one. Okay. So what happens, and go back and maintain this generation for each warehouse number. The same thing you maintain here for the warehouse as well. I maintain here. Okay. So what happens? If you see here, so this is the location number. If you see here the number. So this is the international location number. And the remaining, the number range of the handling unit. Got it? That you have maintained here for SSCN. Okay? I have maintained this, and so I want the SSCN number to be picked up for the handling unit whenever it is created. So I have maintained as international location as this one, and this one is the normal number range of the handling unit.
Exactly.
Got it? So we go back. So this is fine. Okay. So for this V010, packaging material type. I'm using V080 as a packaging material type. Here, okay, it is saying is SSC already at creation of handling unit. So use this as a SSC 18 number. Okay, to whenever you use this packaging material type V080, you always create with the SSCC 18 number. Okay, for the handling unit. That's what I'm saying here. Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes,
So,
yes.
I say, so whenever I use the packaging material type V080, system will always create the handling unit number with the SSCC 18 number. Okay?
Okay.
That's how the number range is maintained.
Number ranging for the pallet tag for the SSCC.
Handling it.
Yeah.
SSCC. With user SSCC. You don't want that, you can go and change it. You can just keep your normal number ranges like which are maintained in the other
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Like different number ranges. Okay?
Mhm.
If you change here, it will automatically change it. It will not go for SSCC, but here, each material type.
Mhm.
If you give like this, number range interval from HUV, KP, interval, then it will create normal ranges, not with the SSCC.
Mhm.
Okay?
Mhm.
This is handling unit to the level. Now what I will go for a storage unit management number now. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay. The storage unit management is if you remember the slide like which we have shared, like in a organized structure, where the quants are actually maintained at what level?
Quants are maintained at the lowest level below the storage unit.
Yeah, storage bin, no?
Uh-huh.
Storage bin level, no?
Uh-huh.
Again, when you activate the storage unit management,
Uh-huh.
then again the storage bin is divided up into storage units.
Yes.
Then in storage units the quants are created.
Exactly.
Okay.
Uh,
So the storage unit management nothing but maintaining the material at in palletization level, like maintaining the master data of a material with palletization information.
okay.
Okay. So the handling units whichever you are maintaining here, no, the packing details, the same packing details will be maintained to a WM level by activating the storage unit management.
Mm-hmm.
Storage units are nothing but the storage are the units which are with which the material are packed and placed in warehouse.
Mm-hmm.
For example, I am procuring some 10 kilos of material,
Mm-hmm.
10 each of material in a box.
Mm-hmm.
And now I am keeping the storage that box in a warehouse storage bin.
Mm-hmm.
Then that box is a storage unit. Into it there are 10 materials maintained in that storage unit.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Got it.
So you are keeping the material in a packaging in packing level. You are keeping the material in boxes, not you loose. Okay, you keeping maintaining the material in the packing level only, handling unit level. So for that we need to activate the storage unit management. So every time you place the material, when you activate, you always place the material with the storage units. Okay.
Okay, if I am understanding your statement correctly, then in one line if I say that for handling unit management to be active, I must have SU active.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Ganesh, you're there.
And I muted.
What happened? You have lost.
No, I'm in office. I muted simply watching the chat.
Oh, you're in office.
I'm in office. Stay muted.
Okay. So in order to activate the storage unit management, so first you need to activate it to the WM level and then to the storage levels. Okay. First you activate the warehouse management to the WM level and then activate to the storage type level. Yeah, storage unit management active. Okay. Yeah. To master data, define storage type. So we have standard storage type 0007. You can use for a pallet storage. Okay, you have to activate the storage unit management active. And maintain strategy as P, palletization.
These are the standard storage type for packaging 007.
Standard storage types, yeah. And with same the strategy, you have to define the strategy now. Define storage section. Okay, 007 storage section 0001 I have maintained. I've created one storage section. So what you do here, like you go to strategies, put our strategies, palette, define strategy for palette. Okay. So go to, so you have to activate the put our strategy. So you are using 0007, okay, 0007, and make storage unit management active. Then you define the bin section, okay. So what you are doing here, you are dividing the storage bin into bin sections, okay, so that you can place the storage units inside the storage bin into bin section. You are sectioning, like you are dividing the storage bin into sections and placing that material in, placing that pallet, that storage unit in one section, okay. So you are dividing a storage bin here. I'll show you how it looks like once you process it, when you execute it. So first what you are doing, you are defining the or 0007. So you are dividing the section as 1 and number of items are 4. So one storage bin is divided into 4 sections, A, B, C, D. Okay? And different bin type and storage unit type assigning to that. So which one I have used? So I have used the E1 and storage unit type E1. Okay, bin type E1 and storage unit type E1 for the bin section 1, which has the maximum number of quant. You can have in one storage bin, you can have 4 sections as 4 quants. Okay? That is 4 storage units. Getting it?
Yeah.
And then what I am doing, I am activating the storage type search for the same steps you need to do. What you do, you need to create one storage type indicator and now maintain that in a material master. Also storage type I have maintained as let's see, yeah. So I have created one storage type indicator SUM and determined as 0007. Okay, 007. And then activate storage section search. Determine storage type 07. So some 001. Go for a storage section 0001. Okay. And then what I have done, I have the same I have maintained here in the material type. Which material is that one? Okay, stock removal, stock payment. Now what happens? System will go search for a 0007 storage type. Since the storage type 007 is a storage unit management active, so it will go and find the bin sections. So with the help of a bin storage bin type and bin units assigned to the bin sections, it will go and place the same storage unit in the where in the warehouse. Got it? Any doubts?
It will take some time to digest it.
Yeah. What I'll do is like I'll stop here. We'll execute it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let me go through this session.
Exactly.
Once again.
Yeah. It will take
Come
some
up with
time.
it, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's totally confused, a little confused.
Yeah.
So I'll stop here right now.
Okay.
So you just find